Children, it is activity page 27 for day 26. It is a activity about the cone, LSA, TSA and volume of the cone. Now let us discuss about the lateral surface area of cone. That is the curved surface area of the cone. R is the radius of the cone and L is the slant height. Now complete the table. In this column cones are there and in this column radius is given, and next slant height L is given, and in the next column find the lateral surface area of the cone by using the formula LSA equals pi into R into L. First cone, here R equals 2 cm and L equals 3 cm. You take R is 2 cm, L is 3 cm. Write the formula for LSA of cone, that is LSA equals pi into R into L. And in the place of pi you write 22 by 7, and in the place of R you write 2, and in the place of L you write 3. Then the product of these 3, 22 into 2 into 3, you will get 44 into 3. 44 into 3 is 132 and by 7. Next, if you convert this 132 by 7 into decimal, divide 132 by 7, you will get 7 ones are 7, 6 to 62, 7 8s are 56. Here 6 is remaining, then you take 0 and put point here. 7 8s are 56, 4 is remaining, and 7 5s are 35. Again 5 is remaining, 57 7s are. So approximately you can take 18.86. 18.857 is approximately equals to 18.86 cm square. That is the lateral surface area of the cone with radius 2 cm and slant height 3 cm. Next you take the second cone. In the second cone, here R is 3 cm and slant height is 5 cm. R is 3 cm and slant height is 5 cm, and you write here 3 cm, here 5 cm. Write the formula for the LSA of the cone and get the lateral surface area. Next, here the radius is 5 cm. Radius is 5 cm and slant height is 13 cm. Then you write this is 5 cm and slant height is 13 cm. Write the formula for the LSA of cone and get the LSA. Next, here the radius is 10 cm and slant height is 13 cm. Write here radius 10 cm, slant height 13 cm. Write the formula for the LSA, that is nothing but the CSA, and get the LSA of the cone. And next one, here radius is 7 cm and slant height is 18 cm. Write radius 7 cm and slant height 18 cm. 7 cm, 18 cm. Write the formula for the LSA and calculate LSA of the cone. Now about the total surface area of a cone. What is the formula to find the total surface area of cone? TSA of cone is equals to pi R into R plus L. That is the sum of the area of the base and curved surface area. So that is pi R square, which is the area of the base, plus pi R L. If pi R is removed outside, you will get the R plus L in the bracket. So the area, the total surface area of a cone is equals to pi R into R plus L. By using the formula for the TSA of cone and by using the given R and L, children find the TSA of the particular cone. So here it is a column for the cylinder and it is R radius and it is slant height, and by using that formula TSA equals phi R into L plus R or R plus L. Find the total surface area of the cone. First one is R equals 2 and L equals 3. R equals 2 centimeter, L equals 3 centimeter. Now you write the formula for the TSA, that is pi r into L plus R. Pi value you know, that is 22 by 7, and in the place of R you write 2 and L is 3, again R is 2. Then here the product of 22 and 2 is 44 by 7. 22 by 7 into 2 is 44 by 7, and 3 plus 2 is 5. Then the product of 44 and 5 is 220 by 7. Then if 220 is divided by 7, you will get 31.4285 cm square. Similarly, by using the same formula and by using the given radius 3 cm and 5 cm. Here you write 3 cm and 5 cm and write the formula for the TSA of the cone and get the TSA of the related cone. Again here R equals 5 centimeter and L is 13 centimeter. Here you write R 5 centimeter, L 13 centimeter. Write the formula for the TSA of a cone and calculate the TSA. Next here R is 10 centimeter and L is 13 centimeter. Here you write 10 centimeter, 13 centimeter. Write the formula for the TSA of the cone and calculate TSA. Next about the volume of a cone. What is the formula to find the volume of a cone? That is 1 by 3 pi r square h. You know the formula to find the volume of a cylinder. Volume of a cylinder is pi r square h and volume of a cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. If a cylinder and cone are having same base and same height, then the volume of the cone is 1 by 3 part of the volume of the cylinder, or volume of the cylinder is 3 times the volume of the cone. Now here radius and height are given, then find the volume of the cylinder given. Then you write the formula for the volume of a cone, that is pi r square h cm cube, and by using this given radius and height, write the formula and substitute the values of pi, r and h and calculate the volume of the cone. Here r is 6 centimeter and height is 8 centimeter. R is 6 centimeter and height is 8 centimeter. Write the formula V equals 1 by 3 pi into R square into H, and you write 1 by 3 as it is. The value of pi is 22 by 7 and R square is 6 square and H is 8. Then 1 into 22, you write 22. 3 into 7 is 21. 22 by 21 into 6 square is 36. 8 you write. Then the product of these three, 22 into 36 into 8, you verify the product is how much? 6336 and divided by 21. Divided by 21, that is equals to what? 301.7142 cm cube. Now let us take one more example. Here in this figure, R is 3 centimeter and this is 5 centimeter, that is a slant height. And here we have to get H. You know the relation among H, R, L. What is that relation? Here you know that L square equals, or you write H square plus R square equals L square. So H square equals what? L square minus R square. Then H equals root L square minus R square. That you have learnt in 9th standard. So to get H, here H equals what? Square root of 5 square minus 3 square. You will get 25 minus 9, which is equals to square root of 16, which is equals to 4. So here H is 4. Use that H. And now you write the formula for V. V equals, you write V equals 1 by 3 into pi into R square into H. That equals 1 by 3. Pi value is 22 by 7. R is how much? 3 into 3 you write 2 times. H is 4. Don't take this 5. 5 is the slant height. By using this R and L, get the 4 by using the relation, h equals square root of L square minus R square. Now 3 cancels and 22 into 3 into 4. 22 3 is 66. 66 into 4. 66 into 4 is 4 6 is 24. 6 4 is 24 plus 2, 26. So it is 264 by 7. Then you divide it by 7. 7 3 is 21. 5 you will get 54. 7 7 is 49. Then you will get 5. 37.749. So you will get 37.7 cm cube. 37.7 cm cube approximately. Similarly, next one you take, in this cone radius is 5 cm and height also given. So you take 5 cm radius and 12 cm height, not 13. 13 is the slant height. Here to find the volume, height is required, that is h is here 12. So use the formula for the volume and calculate the volume. And in this cone, here radius is 9 and height is 12. Here you observe this height is 12 cm. Don't take this is the slant height. Slant height is 15 cm. So you take 12 cm. Then next you take the next cone. R is 12 cm and height is 16 cm. And write the formula for the volume of the cone and calculate the volume.